Good afternoon, all of you. So today we are going to start the revision for our lesson number food and living safely. So the questions I'm going to ask one by one to all of you. Number one is the support in the form of a piece of wood or cardboard provided to the fractured bone. And your options are splint, fracture, slinch, and sprain. Who will give the answer? Yes, Tanvi?
Ma'am, splint.
Yes, that's true. It's splint. Okay, now I'll ask serially. Let me check who is there. Nidhi. Nidhi, it's your turn now. Bache. Support given to a fractured bone in the form of a bandage. Like any fractured person, you are giving support in the form of a bandage. What do you call that? You call it as splint, or option is slinch. Another option is tilt or sting. What is that called?
Sling.
Yeah, that's true. We call it as sling. If it is in the form of bandage, it is called slinge, and if it is in the form of a cardboard, wood or something, then we call it as splint. Okay. Now next question. Packet of ice. This will go to Shubham. Shubham Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is your question, bache. A packet of ice which is used on a bruise to prevent it from swelling is called, and the options are blister, ice pack, and tourniquet. What do you call that? Okay, you are not audible. Where are you? Here. Unmute your mic. Yeah, what is the answer
Ma'am,
for this?
ice pack.
Yeah, that's correct. Good answer. It's ice pack. Next question goes to your sister, Harshita. Broken or cracked bone is called. Options are burn, pain, sprain, and fracture.
Ma'am, fracture.
Yes, ma'am, fracture. No, ma'am is not fracture. Answer is fracture. Okay, next question is, whose turn is it now? Let me check. Tanvi is done. Okay, Simran. Simran, it's your turn. Ice packs are used for, options are wound, fractures, swelling, and none of these.
Ma'am, it's swelling.
Correct. That's true. It's swelling. Next question is rabies. Will go to Nidhi. Nidhi, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay. So your question is rabies can be caused by the bite of, options are mosquito, bee, snake, or dog.
Ma'am, dogs.
That's true. It's correct answer. Rabies is caused by the bite of dog. Next question. Vansh Agrawal. Glass of laminate is helpful in case of, the options animal bite, heat inless, fire, cut or scratch. Yes, it's heat inless. Next question, Khushi Mudgal. This infection may cause muscles of the jaw to contract. Okay. It also called lockjaw disease. It is also known as lockjaw disease. Options are jaundice, tetanus, or scratch. What do you call this disease? No. Try again. Jaundice, tetanus, scratch. This is the infection that causes muscles of the jaw contract.
Scratch.
No. So the last option, that is tetanus, is the answer. Okay. Whenever you got any scratch or wound by, you can say sometimes iron or any object, it may cause stiffness. Fill in the blanks. Dash leads to accidents is the question is for Ritika. Dash leads to accidents. Ritika?
Careless.
Carelessness leads to accidents. Okay, correct. Next question goes to Joy. Unmute. Okay. Your question is prevention is always better than dash.
Cure.
Correct. Your answer is correct. Is prevention is better than cure. Next question, Vishal. Wear dash slippers while handling an electrical appliance. Wear dash slippers.
Rubber and plastic.
Yes, that's true. You should wear rubber and plastic slippers so that no current will pass through your body because they will act as a insulator. Next question, Dhani. Okay. Your question is road safety can be enhanced by following dash. What you have to follow?
Safety rules.
Very good. You have to follow the safety rules. Next question, Vaishnavi. Animal bite can cause a severe disease called dash. Animal bite can cause a severe disease called dash.
Rabies.
Correct answer. It's rabies. Next, Nitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Watery eruptions on the burnt skin are called dash. Watery eruptions on the burnt.
Blisters.
Correct. That's true. It's blisters.
And blisters.
Yeah, that's correct. Now we move on to you have to give the answer whether the statement which I am saying is true or false. So this question goes to Natik. Road signs are meant for bus drivers only. Road signs are meant for bus drivers only.
False.
Yes.
False.
Okay, so that is for everybody, not only for the bus drivers. Nehal, your turn. Electrical faults can cause fire. Is it true or false?
True.
Yes, they can also cause fire. Aryaman, broken body part should not be moved. Can you move your broken body part? Broken body part should not be moved.
Man, true.
Okay, yes, that's true. You cannot move your broken body part. A bleeding nose should be washed. Ansh, that's your question. Bleeding nose should be washed with soap and water.
Ma'am, true.
Bleeding nose you will wash with soap and water?
No, false.
Huh? You will not. Yes, you will not. That in the case of wound, then you can use soap and water. Okay. Next question goes to Dhruv. Dhruv, first aid can only be given by doctors. Is it true?
False. False.
First aid, yes, first aid anybody can give. Those who have little bit knowledge of how to do the first aid. Next question, Aryan. A wound must be washed with soap and water. That's true or false?
False, ma'am.
A wound must be washed with soap and water. Is it true or false?
False.
Why you will not wash? First you have to wash your wound. If you fall down in any somewhere in the ground, then first you have to wash it with water and soap. Then you will apply an antiseptic. Sit properly. Otherwise your brain will sleep. Okay, next question goes to Abhishek. Abhishek is ready. He's raising the hand also. Can accidents be prevented? Abhishek, can accidents be prevented?
Ma'am, true.
How you will prevent? How you will prevent the accidents? That you have to tell me. Give any one way, okay? One way you tell me how you can prevent the accidents.
Ma'am, false.
Are? That answer is correct. It is correct that accidents can be prevented. I'm asking how it can be prevented. Who will give the answer for this? And now it's turn for Jay Pratap. Jay Pratap, you tell me.
Then we can end the accident by in school.
Your voice is cracking, bache. Just check your network first. It's not audible.
We can prevent accident by following the
Not audible properly, Jay Pratap. You have to see the connection again.
when we can prevent accidents by following rules, safety rules in school.
Only one line I can understand, by following safety rules.
And we can follow the
Okay, so I'll ask to will tell whose turn is still not come. Who is left in this? Let me check through the screen. Yes, Navya.
Yes, ma'am.
How accidents can be prevented?
Ma'am, accidents can be prevented by carelessness.
No, they are caused because of our carelessness. I'm asking how you can prevent them. We should not be careless.
By falling down on wet floor.
No.
We can fall by wet floor.
I think you are not getting the question. My question is how you can prevent the accident. आप कैसे बच सकते हैं कि accident नहीं होगा? How you can prevent yourself?
We can be safe by.
We should be alert.
We can be safe by following the safety rules.
Okay. We should be alert. Presence of mind is required. And do not panic also, if any mishappening happens. Okay, next question is what? This question goes to Aman. Aman, that's your question. Aman Gautam. All of you are instructed to put your videos and mics on. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the screen. Aman Gautam, who is there? Kriti. Kriti, your question. Why you have changed your name today? Today you have become Aman. Aman is your brother? Not audible. Kriti, your question is, what should be done to prevent electrical shock? You are not audible, bache. See your voice. Why it's not coming? See your connection first. Now let me check who is left. Kamlaksh, you give the answer. Kamlaksh, what should be done to prevent electrical shock?
We should wear rubber slippers and
Okay.
rubber gloves.
Okay, what else you can do? This is fine.
We don't have to touch the wire with wet hands.
Yes, correct. We should not touch the wires with wet hands. That's true. Sakshi? Sakshi, it's your turn now. Sakshi? Is it audible, Sakshi? Who is this Galaxy S7, GA7? Yesterday also I told. So better if you can't follow any instruction. So no need to be the part of online class. I think almost everybody is done once. So again we can start. We'll start from Abhishek. Is done. Abhishek. Okay, I've asked Abhishek. Vansh Agarwal. What is first aid?
Ma'am, first aid is the first medical help given to an injured person before taken to the hospital.
Okay, correct. Next question. Joy. In which case fire cannot be put out using water?
In case of electrical source, we should not throw water on fire because it can cause electrocution.
Yes, that's true. So we should not throw water like this if it is from the electrical appliance. So these are the basic questions like for the worksheet and for the revision of this lesson, living safely. Now we will do the revision for the next topic, which we have already started.